King D2359.
59.
Sweet investigation.
King 96-000.
King agrees.
King 83.
No looking, put up at that.
King 83-000.
Dispatch call 28. Dispatch call 28.
Dispatch, I'm clear.
000.
Call 35, dispatch out of service.
Call 35, 01.
Frank 37, Frank 31. Come here, the owner of the white car is behind my car now.
Yeah, I'm coming in the area, man. Looks like time delay is about 15 ago. If you want to, no need for you to come out here, doesn't look like.
Copy that, all disregard.
And confirm you haven't called the RP.
Yeah, I just got off the phone with her. She has no idea who did it. Doesn't know vehicle description or anything. So I just told her that I'd go out there and just do some extra patrol.
All right, sounds good. If you want to add that comment, I'll do the patrol.
Yep, I will add that.
Oscar 3 dispatch, we continue to Andros Orthodontics, Jennifer and Bedford.
Pasco 8302. Dispatch Pasco 91. Noise complaint.
9-1.
03. Dispatch Pasco 93. Order violation report.
9-3, I forgot to advise I'm out with 6-6 and Franklin County unit.
Pasco 93. 03. Dispatch Pasco 59. Status.
Just about that. No, it's clear. Thank you.
03.
Pasco 94 dispatch. I'm going to make contact with a few vehicles west end of Chihuahua Park. I believe there's individuals inside the park. I'm going to make contact Forest Park Isle.
Pasco 9404.
And starting miles will be the same as Mandy.
Robert 5204.
County 99 dispatch.
County 99.
You can show me clear also.
Here also.
I'll be out with the kennel units at Columbia Drive and Fruitland.
494 X-ray Henry X-ray.
Pasco 9405.
Send me that suspicious off my hand, please.
Robert 81 dispatch.
Robert unit, go ahead.
Robert 81, arriving at the jail, NMR 76.
Robert 8106.
Pasco 94 dispatch on code 4.
Pasco 9406.
96 dispatch code 4.
06.
Pasco 68 dispatch. We're going to be making contact with the residents at 8 in Monteville.
Pasco 68. 08.
91 dispatch. We're code 4. You update the location 830 West Monteville.
Pasco 91. 010.
King 83 dispatch, can I get phone number?
King 83, the file's 18991.
Pasco 83 dispatch, I'll be out with a disabled vehicle, Chapel Hill and Julie.
Pasco 8301.
License will be Boyada Nora 8401.
011.
411.
6 to cover.
King 60-011.
92 dispatch, place is going to be Adam Henry Edward 1567.
King 92-012.
Pasco 63 dispatch, unclear.
Pasco 63. 013.
King 33 dispatch, I'll be out at the SIP rate.
King 33-014.
Who's area 2 for Green Road tonight?
King 86-015.
I just want to hand off the 37 to somebody. I guess it's going to have to be me since the other guy's not qualified.
All right, we're going to meet you.
Why don't you just come over here to 8 in Monteville so we can scare these kids a little bit more in the house party?
On our way.
Frank 31. Pasco 66.
Robert 841, please.
Robert 84.
803 Zulu Bravo Golf.
016.
9478 on 3.